Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a slogan bookmark for which we need a black color and some different type of colors which we are going to sprinkle. So let's first paint the black color on the sheet. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have painted the black color. Now I'm going to take the white color and sparkle over here. So like this. I have covered the rest of my bookmark so that the color does not go on them. Now I'm going to take red color and do the same. Now I'm going to take light green color I'm going to take cream color. Now I'm going to take golden color. Now I'm going to take the last and the final color, the silver color. Now, as the bookmark or the paint is dried, I am going to take pink color and write the slogan. So, let's start. So as you can see, I have done writing the code. Now if you like my video, please